Hi, welcome to SeekaHost WordPress hosting control panel. I want to show in this video how easy it is to host a WordPress website and get it live. No hassle like going through the previous ways like cPanel. However, if that's something you want more options and different option, a complicated process, definitely we have that on the SeekaHost.com WordPress plans on the SeekaHost.com. But on SeekaHost.app, you get the WordPress hosting control panel that you can get multiple IPs if you want to host private blogs in WordPress. And also in this video, I want to straight away show it to you how you can easily host a WordPress site and get it online. So this is SeekaHost.app if you come, or else also you can see more details about it on the SeekaHost.org, which explains about all this details about the packages and how the functions are. So let's get inside, get started for free because it comes with a 7-day free trial, which you can get started and host your site, play it, build it, let it get indexed, let it grow. And then if you're happy, you pay and continue. So just log in inside over here. Actually, these are the blog hosting. And once you log into the dashboard, you will see the options. Right now, this is one of my accounts. You can see I have 26 blogs hosted, one WordPress site was hosted, and these are the tracking site, which means I can track the site's data, Google Analytics and even the clicky data at one place, which I really like, which I can really track and see how it actually to go. Even you can see I'm tracking SeekaHost app, my own website, fernandoraymond.com. And this is something that I really like. I can look at the clicky and Google Analytics from one dashboard. So I get to see the details, how many visitors, what pages, where did they come from? All these details are there. So this is alone is a crazy advantage for y'all if you are looking for a WordPress hosting solution with a control panel that gives you all this data, so even the Google, you just need to get the Google authentication code and connect with here, and it's just free and it starts working. As long as you can start using this one as soon as you sign up for a package. You just have to use one of the package, maybe one site hosting or whatever the amount, but you can then onwards track unlimited sites, your client sites, all these details. So let's look at back, and these are some of the blogs. We also have the WordPress private blog hosting option, but this is the WordPress sites option. And this is one of the sites I just hosted. It's indexed already. And the plans are here. You can see WordPress hosting plans. You can get a plan for 1 site, 3 site, 5 site to 10 site options are there. And it even gives you an email account, free email account for the per site. So let me show you how to quickly host a site and what you need to do and get on getting the site up. So as you can see, I got a plan just and then what I would do, I just put the URL. So I had my domain name called businessresearchhub.com, which is it's an expired domain, quite a expired domain, because I like to use expired domains to build WordPress site, which get indexed and rank pretty fast if you're building websites or blogs. So put like that, always put it without www or anything, because that's how you need to put it. You can see we have put it at without www when you're installing a domain. So I'll give the site name as well. So it get already nicely installed when it comes live really. So, and this is the package, which is a new package, one site plan, which is just £1 a month, which is anyway free for 7 days. So I select this one, and you ticket block to be visible and live, and then I click on add WordPress site. So it will take a little moment. So once it come online, you will get to see it's online like the below site, and then I need to go and change the name servers on SeekaHost.com where the domain was registered. I'm going to show it to you in a moment, and but all the details are there if you read the knowledge base, and the knowledge base actually explains you about all the WordPress hosting thing, how to create an email account, how to handle your control panel, changing the name servers, how to access your email inbox. All these details are there if you are struggling. And then you also can see the live chat support is here. You can literally ask anybody, put your details on the spot. You can ask 24/7. Any issues that you may be facing. Maybe you got your site up, you don't know how to get it name servers changed, because to change the name servers, I will have to get you here. So basically, The domain is registered, as you guys can see. Right now, I'm at the SeekaHost.com client area. One of the click-do accounts, 133 domains are here. And I need to come here because the domain is registered here. In very soon, you can also have the domain registration function inside the SeekaHost app portal. So you just don't even have to swap your tabs or log into the other client area on the SeekaHost.com website. We're just on the process of merging. So maybe by the time you're seeing the video, you can do everything at one place, and it's pretty easy. So to do that, what I would do, so I see my domains here. So it's online right now. You guys can see once it comes online, what you do, you place this gear mark, and you can see your username and the password right now, which you will also get an email. So, because what happened once you activate the Ssl certificate, before activating the Ssl certificate, you need to go and change the name. So let me change the name servers quickly, so I got the name servers in this one. So to change the name servers, how you do, you come to the domain. As I said, you log into SeekaHost.com or wherever. If you even register the domain with any other registrar, there is a procedure of changing the name servers. You select the domain. Most registrars are pretty straightforward, and then you can see go to manage name servers or manage domains. So if you go to manage name servers, you can see the details of where to change that one. So this is the domain, and then what I would do, so use custom name servers, right? So you click on this one, and then what I would do, I'll put here this one, and then most of the domains were also having this name server. So NH2, so that's why it's coming down. And then I put the two name servers. It says it will take 24 hours normally to propagate if the domain is having been installed anywhere else or anything. This domain was previously also hosted somewhere else, and it was expired domain, as I said to you. So it could take a little moment, but this is the procedure. So you get NS1, SN2, name server 1, name server 2, and you change the name servers over here 1 and 2. This is not like a private blog network. You don't have to worry about the IP address. So you just do these two, put it here, change the name servers. And then once you change the name servers, I would say if it is an expired domain or you just bought it from a auction or you just registered it, give a little moment, like a 30 minutes at least, right? So I changed the name servers over here and it's successfully saved. And then what I need to do, as I said, I can activate the Ssl certificate before even logging. Before logging, what I would do, I will have to ideally, I'll actually have those two saved, because if the site comes live, I'm just going to log in on the spot, right? So password, I'm going to reveal it over here in this video anywhere, which I will change once in a bit, so you guys are not going to access it. So I got the password and the thing, right? So anyway, as I said, you have got an email to your inbox, which will give you these details and the password and all. I would recommend you can change it and update it and have it in one of your Excel sheets or something, because we didn't want to have the login details once you first time log in over here, because it's for security reasons. So what I would do, so name change was changed. I go to Ssl certificate. And then what I would do, so do not enable Ssl certificate until you update the name servers of your domain. So I did update the name servers right now, and make sure you only do it after updating the name server. So I've done it. So if it is updated, it should become green. So activated around 30 minutes, it says, but it went successfully. And then I have now activated the Ssl certificate. So WordPress site info, I can go back. And if the site is already live, it starts picking up over here and showing. I see the site is live pretty fast. You saw how quickly I could get a WordPress site up and hosting. And now what I could do, I can just click the site, and then I can see I have the login URL. You guys can see the site is just hosted and live. I can use those same details and I can access the website. So you saw I maybe took it, the entire video is less than 10 minutes. Probably it all was done less than a couple of minutes, less than 5 minutes. It's all done. Hosted the site, got it live, and here I am with the live website. On the same video, let me also show you how you can get a free email account also created for this domain name. So what you will do, you click on email accounts, and I'll just get Fernando at businessresearchhub.com, right? So you put whatever info at or anything, and then give a password. I'll give a password like Fernando. Check it here. I'm just going to create the email. Pretty straightforward, very easy to create it. You will see, and it is just rolling, but in seconds it will go live. So it'll keep rolling. So to log into the email, what you need to do, you click here. So I just press the refresh button if it is rolling. I'm ready to go. Email is live, and I can just access the email read. So here we go. I will get Fernando. So Fernando at Business Research is the email. Oops, did I? No. Yes, there's the email address. Password will be there for me to reveal. So I put this one, and get the password, and I'm just logging in. It's really fast. I want to really simplify that anybody can get online, build a blog, send an email, all these activities pretty easily, right? So you see I'm on the email inbox. This is all ready made and ready to go. So I'm just going to compose an email, quickly press button, send an email, and from here, let me send an email to Kasun at SeekaHost.co.uk, and you will not even know that I'm sending an email. So I'm just going to probably also send an email to Dinesh as well. So you guys will, that's done. Email, signature, everything. And also we provide IMAP and POP3 details if you want, which I'll show you in a second. So that's done. Oops, can I send an email over here? Oh, yes. Because I'm recording, my send mark is cut. Oh shit, if I press this, guys, I will, okay. Oh yeah, it's taken to my screen. So that's how it is. The send mark is over here. I can't press the send right now because if I press it, my recording will be ending, but you saw it straight away. Do it, send the email, done. It's easy, right? So site is up, site is loading, and I create an email. That's how straightforward you can do and get it started, So these are the details. If you have any questions, you can always open a support ticket, ask in the live chat support, also send an email if you want, hit me up anywhere. I'm here ready to help. And also our YouTube channel has a lot of information about hosting and doing all the details. So hope this video really helped you. And keep an eye. I'll just build this website. We'll get this site up and get it going. And you will see more details coming soon. So get started, get started with the SeekaHost app, host a site, build a website. And if you have any questions, we're happy to help you. Thanks for listening, guys.